The lavatory service panel is located on the right side of the aft fuselage. Open the service door. The controls consist of a drain port, 2 valve levers, a drain control handle, and a filling port. To empty the waste system, open the cap assembly and connect the drain hose. And next to it, the fill hose. Next to the drain connection is a small lever marked open. Push this lever in the direction of the arrow. The lever marked closed should rotate by spring action, indicating that the valve has opened. Pull the drain control handle outward to the extended position. This allows waste materials to flow from the drain port. When the system is drained, return the control handle to the normal position. To flush the tank, use 5 gallons of disinfectant, commonly called blue juice. Now drain the system by extending the control handle. Once drained, return the handle to the normal position. Replenish with 2 gallons of blue juice. You are now ready to disconnect hoses and replace the connection caps on the drain and rinse ports. By closing the drain cap, the drain valve automatically closes. Clean and dry the panel with a clean cloth, and don't forget to close the service door. Finally, because lav sensors on the A320 are easily activated, check the forward flight attendant's panel. If a lav indicator light is on, reservice the system. If the light remains on, contact maintenance or maintenance control.